All right guys, today we will be making maple bacon cinnamon rolls. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, what's the first thing we're gonna be making?
Cinnamon rolls.
The dough.
Oh, the dough.
The dough. Okay, so first we have 1 cup of warm water, active dry yeast, 2 1/4 teaspoons of it. Finally, we have 1/3 cup of sugar.
Cinnamon rolls do have a bit of water in them, as you can see, but I like to drink my cinnamon rolls.
We'll let it sit about 5 minutes till it gets kind of foamy.
Foamy. Foamy.
All right, sitting it off to the side. This is my main squeeze. We'll be adding about 4 cups of flour, might add a little more. All right, now that it's been kneaded, we grease the bowl and we're gonna put it in there so it can expand. We are going to cover it with saran wrap and let it sit for about 1 hour.
Now that our dough has gotten larger in size, we're gonna roll it out and put some nice flavorings on it. We'll now use the help of a rolling pin to make it bigger. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Just keep rolling it and rolling it. So you want to roll it out so it's around a 1/2 inch thick. 7 days later, he's still rolling it. Half a stick of butter here, about 2 ounces if you want to get technical. Take several pieces of it, and we will just do our best to
smear the butter. Then you wipe the excess butter on your partner.
So now that we're all buttered up, what will the next step be?
Sprinkle some cinnamon and some brown sugar.
We will then roll this up.
I'm just gonna spray the pan so that way these guys don't stick once they rise before we cook them.
Now we'll want to cut 12 pieces. If I don't do it perfectly, it's because I'm not a professional, but we'll give it our best shot. We ended up with 13. I have no idea how we got that, but
Baker's dozen.
We'll roll with it. So we'll leave a little bit of room when we're putting them in there, because when they rise the next time, they will eventually expand into each other and make those nice cinnamon rolls that we all love. We'll put these in the fridge for the second rise, let the flavors concentrate overnight, pull them out just in time for Sunday brunch in the morning, and they should be perfect. Before we bake them, we'll pull them out about an hour early to let them get up to room temperature first. See you tomorrow.
All right guys, so next we're gonna make the frosting. I got 2 cups of powdered sugar. We have 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of whole milk, and 1 tablespoon of your bacon drippings. There we go. So we had to add a little bit more milk to thin it out. I think it looks great now. Good morning guys, we are ready to bake our cinnamon rolls now. So you can actually put the bacon inside them whenever you're making the dough before you chop them up, or we're just gonna sprinkle it on top after we get the icing.
You can see they've increased in size, and we're gonna get ready to bake them for how long?
Bake them for about 20-25 minutes at 350. Just keep an eye on them, make sure they're done to your preference. Okay, it's been a little bit over 20 minutes and we are going to check them out. Looks perfect to me. Okay guys, our cinnamon rolls are all finished and we're going to be bringing in our taste testers.
How is it?
It's delicious. It's got just a nice little bit of maple flavoring, has the bacon on top. It's a great treat for in the mornings.